If you want to keep Audacity running smoothly and make sure you have the latest features and fixes, in this video I'll show you exactly how to update Audacity step by step. This is a quick and easy process, and it only takes a few minutes. Keeping Audacity updated can help improve performance, fix bugs, and make sure your audio editing experience stays as stable as possible. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open Audacity on your computer. Once the program is open, look at the top of the window and click the Help menu. This is where Audacity keeps its update options, along with other support tools. After opening the Help menu, click Check for Updates. Audacity will now begin scanning to see whether a newer version is available. Give it a moment while the pop-up window checks online for the latest release. If an update is found, you'll see an option to install it. Click Install Update to begin the process. At this point, Audacity will start downloading the update files in the background. Depending on your internet connection, this may take a short moment, so just let it finish downloading completely. If a system prompt appears asking for permission to make changes to your device, click Yes to allow the installer to continue. This is a normal security step on Windows, and it's required so the update can be installed properly. Once the installation is done, you'll see a completion screen. Click Finish to close the installer and restart Audacity in the new version. After the restart, you should now be using the updated version of Audacity with the latest improvements available. And that's it. You've successfully updated Audacity. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.